Seshafere kanjani bafethu, it's your boy CK Mr. Stabili aka y'all know what it is, the Fresh Prince from Ngada Mambiza Marafandag Singai Sotra. I'm not alone, I'm with the Daily Sun and Cadbury. Cranshap, we are celebrating the small wins. Cranshap, what are those daily wins that you celebrate when yourself? Mhlambe, you've nailed that exam, Mhlambe, you didn't miss your taxi. Just share your story, and who knows, I might give you a little treat nyana because Tina Ngaye Cadbury we are unwrapping ubumnandi every day. Yangithola. So asisiza ukuthi Cranshap abantu basemsotra bona bathini.
That small win that I feel like celebrating today is ukuthi ngikwazile ukuvuka namhlanje kuseni noNkulunkulu uyokwazile ukungivusa.
I'm all good. Bangifakele imali usister wami. So now ungifakele 1.5. So I'm so happy.
Ngiyakhitha room and garage Orange Farm.
Umntana wami uphasile grade 3 term 3.
Ismall win engifuna ukuyicelebrate today ukuthi ama-twins kamama aphasile o-2.
Oh, ama-twins.
Yeah, ama-twins.
Bayele oleda mali into lena ama-couch yangithola.
Nice.
So yeah, I think like a big win for me.
Present son.
Present side.
Yabona, it doesn't matter ukuthi Cranshap story sakho sinjani, whether it's big or small, as long as it's worth celebrating with Cadbury my size. So now lapha ekhaya sicela usitshele ukuthi Cranshap, what is that small win that you want to celebrate with Cadbury my size?